Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. Since last fall, I've been making a weekly menu plan and trying to stick to it as best as possible. Our family tends to eat out more than we should, and I was trying to curtail that and limit how much we're spending because eating out's really expensive and we were just doing way too much of it. So I've done really well for the most part, and we came to May, which we had a vacation planned, and at the end of that week we got back and we just ate out. That was the first week of June, and now we're into the second week of June, and I wanted to share my menu plan with you for the second week of June and how we did. And we didn't do well. I had every intention of putting together a menu plan for the second week of June, and it did not happen. I was still tired from vacation. I actually was sick, not like a cold. I had some issues with my liver, and my eyeballs turned yellow and my skin turned yellow, and I wasn't feeling good, and I had to get some blood work and go to the doctor and an MIR later. I'm doing well, I'm fine. I was actually taking an anti-parasitic, and it looks like the toxins overloaded my liver. Maybe what happened. We're still trying to figure it out, but I'm doing much better. My eyeballs are much wider, my skin isn't yellow anymore, and I'm feeling good. So we're gonna call it a win and try to figure out what happened and what I can do to change things and go from here. So I was really craving a lot of greens, and I was doing liver tonics of lemon juice and with a little orange juice and raw garlic and olive oil, and though it doesn't sound good, it was delicious. I was really craving that. It's funny how your body tells you what it needs. And I've been craving a lot of salads. So we have eaten out. It's our busy time of year for work, and we've just been going long hours, not very many days off, and eating out happened. It happened a lot this week, and I want to rectify that and get back on track. So I am going to make a menu plan for next week, but this week it didn't happen. I'm going to show you though a couple meals that we had, and I think I have one grocery haul that I captured, and then I kind of gave up after that. It was too much, and that's what happens. Life happens, and it's okay. We just try to get back on track instead of calling it a loss altogether. I've just brought everything in and wanted to show you our restocking of the refrigerator after vacation. So I bought some sauerkraut and coconut water, 3 bags of carrots, a bag of apples, and I put some things away so I have more room. I have some microgreens, blueberries, strawberries, cucumbers, Gruyere cheese, bananas, flan, lemons, a couple bags of organic celery, and pistachios. And that's my refill the fridge grocery haul. Tonight for dinner, we're doing Chinese takeout. Tonight's dinner is a gathering of stuff and leftovers. My husband's having a salad. I'm gonna cut up that mango. I'm having some avocado and strawberries. I have some leftover Mexican food that I'm going to have. My husband's also having a soup, and our son is having leftover barbecue. So just a little bit of everything, cleaning out the refrigerator. And that's it, not much to show you. Sorry. Hopefully you're doing much better than I am. I know it's not easy having to figure out what to cook every night for everybody in your family, and even if you're just 2 people or 1 person, it can get tiring and monotonous, and just can become something you don't want to do, and I hit that roadblock a lot. And I'm trying not to do that, and that was part of my reason for this series of meal planning and meals and amounts spent. So I am really looking forward to getting a handle on this for next week and plan out our meals. We'll still eat out because it's something we enjoy, but we're going to try to keep a better handle on it. And also we want to eat healthier. So eating out isn't always the healthiest option, and we want to limit that as best we can. So I know a lot of you are in the same position we are with trying to make meals every night and trying to come up with something new and put that in alongside everything else that we have going on, and it's not easy. So I understand you, and I hope you understand where I'm coming from too. I thank you for watching my channel and coming along with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.